Hello guys, welcome to Shiv Kumar News YouTube channel. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is to improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Now we start the video. Safety first. This is come from Mahakumbh. Crowd control. Police personnel manage a crowd of devotees taking a dip at the Sangam ahead of the Basant Panchami Amrit Snan during the ongoing Mahakumbh in Prayagraj on Sunday. PTI report on page 2. 260 Myanmar refugees take shelter in Manipur. Since January 9, amid airstrike by Myanmar military, refugees have been streaming into area close to the Manipur border. Vijeta Singh, New Delhi. As civil war rages in Myanmar, security agencies are verifying the reports of death of a Manipuri youth in the neighboring country and keeping a close watch on its impact on ethnic strife hit Manipur. From January 27, around 260 Myanmar refugees have taken shelter in India along the Modish border in Manipur, a defense source said on Sunday. Around one said on Sunday, temporary refugee. Since January 9, amid airstrike by Myanmar military, refugees have been streaming into area close to the Manipur border in batches, defense sources said. Around 100 foreigners had sought temporary refuge but eventually returned after the bombing stopped. However, from January 27 29, when the fighting intensified in Myanmar, as many as 261 refugees arrived who are yet to return, said the source. Officials said the news of death of Manipur youth may be exaggerated as part of a propaganda to glorify the insurgents group. A senior government of officials said there have been reports of tribal Kuki Jew people also being killed in Myanmar, but nothing has been sustained so far. Last week, 100 attended a funeral for a member of the band People's Liberation Army in Imphal East Andro band outfit. PLA is band Meti insurgent outfit which is exposed the secession of the Manipur. The Union Home Ministry in 2024 extended the ban against the 8 insurgents group, including the Revolutionary People Front, of which PLA is an arm wing, for another 5 years. Cadre of Ban Meti outfit killed in exchange of fire on Myanmar border. Vijeta Singh, New Delhi. Amid the civil war in Myanmar, there have been reports of a funeral attended by the hundreds of the people held for a member of a band outfit based in Manipur. He was allegedly killed on the Myanmar border. The funeral for the People's Liberation Army cadre was held at a public ground in Manipur, Imphal East. PLA is a Ban Meti insurgent outfit which exposes secession of Manipur. When asked how our men are allowed to hold a public funeral for the member of a band or organization in Imphal East, Andrew, a senior government official said there was nobody. The funeral ritual took place in absentia. After the video of the ceremony started circulating, we order an inquiry, but no action has been taken so far. Security personnel during a search operation in the vulnerable area of Hill and Valley district of Manipur. The PLA cadre identified as Henthoba, 28, residents of the Kaching in Manipur, Manipur was reportedly killed on January 27 in an exchange of gunfire along the Manipur border with Myanmar. The PLA is an armed wing of the Revolutionary People Front, which said in a statement on January 30th the Henthuba succumbed to injuries sustained during the encounter with proxy enemy in an attack planned by the Indian Army. The Valley-based insurgents group VBIGS or the Banmati extremist group operate from Myanmar and are often engaged in fight with the People's Defense Force (PDF) and the Kuki National Army Burma. Among these, several resistance groups and the ethnic armed organization EU activities in Myanmar. The EOs are the fighting against the Myanmar junta. On Saturday, intense fighting broke out between the PDF and the junta near Tamu in Myanmar, few kilometers from the Morch border in Manipur. Next news from USA. Trump slapped 25 tariff on import from Canada, Mexico, additional 10% duty for Chinese good. Agency France Press, Palm Beach. USA President Donald Trump on Saturday announced broad tariff on trading partner Canada, Mexico, China, claiming a major threat from illegal immigration and drugs. The move sparked promises of the retaliation. Canadian and Mexican exports to the USA will face a 25% tariff starting today. Also, the energy resources from the Canada will have lower 10% levy. Goods from China, which already face various rate of duty, will see an additional 10% tariff. Mr. Trump order also suspended exemption allowing low value import from the three countries to enter the USA duty free. Mr. Trump evoked the International Emergency Economic Power Act in the imposing the tariff, with the White House saying the extraordinary threat posed by illegal allies and drugs, including the deadly fentanyl, constitutes a national emergency. The aim is at holding all three countries accountable to their promises of halting illegal immigration and stopping poisonous fatalities and other drugs from the flowing into our country, the White House added. Mr. Trump said on Sunday that the American may feel economic pain from his tariff on key trading partner, but the argue it would be worth the price. Hey, to secure USA interest, will there be some pain? Yes, maybe and maybe not. Trump wrote Sunday morning in all caps on his Truth social media platform, but we will make America great again, and it will all be worth the price that must be paid. Chinese Commerce Ministry said this in a statement. It will take corresponding countermeasures and file a claim against the Washington at the World Trade Organization. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum announced that her country would impose retaliatory tariff. Ms. Sheinbaum said she had told her economic minister to implement Plan B that we have been working, which includes the tariff and non-tariff measure in defense of Mexico interests. The USA President also suspended the exemption allowing low-value imports from the three countries to enter the USA duty-free AFF. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who spoke with Ms. Sheinbaum, repeatedly said his his country will hit back with 25 levies of its own on select American goods worth Canadian 1.55 dollar billion and USA 106.6 billion, with a first round on Tuesday followed by a second one in 3 weeks. We are certainly not looking to escalate, but we will stand up for Canada, for Canadian job, he said, warning of a fracture in a long-standing Canada. The European Union instead Sunday it would retaliate the firmly if USA President Donald Trump hit it with tariff as Brussels decried his sweeping measure against Canada, Mexico, and China. London. Starmer hails real progress on UK Germany tie at Scholz talks. Prime Minister Keir Starmer on Sunday hailed a real progress in the UK relationship with Germany as he hosted Chancellor Olaf Scholz for talk with Ukraine high on the agenda. Mr. Starmer will become the first UK premier since Brexit to attend a European Council gathering as part of his reset of relations with Europe. Riyadh. New Syria leader meets Saudi Crown Prince on first foreign visit. Syrian interim President Mohammed Al Julani Ahmad Al Shara made this with Saudi Crown Prince and de facto ruler Mohammed bin Salman on Sunday during his first trip abroad since taking power. Syrian regime is counting on Gulf country for the reconstruction of their war-ravaged nation and revive its economy. AFP. Tehran. Iran unveiled new ballistic missile that can travel up to 1700 km. Iran revealed its new ballistic missile estimate that can travel 700 km, revealing it an event attended by the President Mossad Pezeshkian. Three domestically produced satellites were also presented at the ceremony. A 34 kg communication model called Navak, as well as updated version of the Pars 1 and Pars 2. Tokyo. Japan launches a navigational satellite on new flagship rocket. Japan's space agency said on Sunday successfully launched a navigational satellite on its new flagship H3 rocket as the country seeks to have a more precise location positioning system of its own. The H3 rocket carrying the Michibiki 6 satellite lifted off from the Tanegashima Space Center on a southwestern Japanese island. Big shot. This picture of our galaxy. This January 24 Hubble Space Telescope image features the sparkling scene from the outskirts of the Tarantula Nebula, about 116,000 light year away. It is a center. This nebula hosts massive stars weighing roughly 200 times the sun. The sun seen here features the screen blue gas, brush, orange dust patch, and sprinkling of the multicolored star. NASA ESA budget for children as a share of the overall union budget 2.29 in percent. The union budget 2025-26 has allocated rupee 1,60,132.5 crore for children, marking a 5.65% increase from the previous year, and rupee 10,09,920.95 crore. But child rights body has expressed concern over reduce the allocation for crucial program. PTI delegates who participated in IAPC Health Conference 800 3-day international conference of the Indian Association of Palliative Care IAPC concluded with over 800 delegates, doctors, and volunteers from across the globe participating in one of the largest health events in Jammu and Kashmir. The share of the backward classes in Telangana population 46.25 in percent backward classes other than Muslim minority from the largest chunk of the 3.7 crore population of the Telangana according to the caste survey conducted in the state. This is followed by the scheduled caste at 75.43%. PTI. Number of the smart Anganwadis to be inaugurated in Kerala. 30 is Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan will inaugurate the 30 new smart Anganwadi equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. State Health Minister Veena George stated that the approval has been granted for constructing 189 smart Anganwadi, of which 89 have already been opened. Allocation of a Lok Sabha in the latest budget 903 in rupee crore. Lok Sabha has been allocated 903 crore more than the double the amount given to the Rajya Sabha. A sizable allocation rupee 558.81 crore of the total rupee 903 crore has been assigned to Lok Sabha Secretary complied with the Hindu data team. The guerrilla are against the state violence. Know your English. The gorillas are against the state violence. Know your English. Pretext. He was praised by the manager. He was hiding the light under a bushel all this while. You, Upendran. What is the meaning and origins of the idiom hide your light under the bushel? Sai Prasad Vellore. The expression is mostly used in British English. In the course of our life, we come across many talented individuals. Some may sing well, some may excel at cooking, some may good mimics, etc. But not all these individuals are keen on sharing their talent with others. Those that are shy and models usually keep them hidden. They wish to keep away from the limelight. When you tell someone not to hide his light under a bushel, what you are suggesting is not to conceal his ability, that instead of trying to be a model, he should share all the positive quality with those around him. You should get Anamika to sing at the event. She has a beautiful voice but has been hiding the light all these years under a bezel. Wow, these paintings are awesome. You are gifted painter. Why do you choose to hide the light under bezel? I understand that the idioms come from the Bible. It has been taken from the Gospel of St. Matthew, like inch, kilogram, liter, etc. A bezel is a unit of the measurement. It is normally unusually used to measure the quantity of grain, fruit, vegetables, etc. In England, a bushel is roughly equivalent to 8 gallons. In the past, in a small household, bushel basket containers made from different material were used to hold a bushels of grain. What the idiom hide your light under a bushel seems to suggest is that there is no point in lighting a candle if you are going to keep at hiding under the container. What is the difference between gorilla and gorilla? Anil Kanpur. In the term of the pronunciation, there is none. The two words are pronounced the same way. The was in the first and the third syllable are pronounced like the A in China, while the second syllable rhyme with bill and kill. The two words are pronounced G, Aril, and with the stress on the second syllable. syllable. The meaning of the two words, however, are very difficult. A gorilla is an animal. It is a relatively large ape known for its strength and usually found in pockets of Africa. I was surprised to learn that gorillas mostly stick to a vegetarian diet. The word gorilla, sometimes spelled gorilla, comes from the Spanish guerra, meaning war. It is normally used to refer to an individual who is at war with the government or any other authority. The media sometimes refer to this group of individuals to underground fighters. The tactics adopted by the guerrilla are usually very different from those of the army. They launch quick attack and then disappear. Upendre Renke at the gmail.com. The Daily Quiz. The Grammy, the British Music Award, is held to honor and celebrate music and those who make it. A quiz on the award and its recipients. Visual question: name of the actor, director, his alliance and song which won him Record of the Year and Song of the Year in 2029. Visual question number 1: name the alloy used to make the Grammy toffee. Question number 2: while the award cover a range of genres, what are the general category is also called Big Four. Question number 3. How many artists have won the Big Four in same year? Name them. Question 4. Name the legendary artist who was the first to win the Album of the Year award and the only to win the Special Merit Award. Question number 5. Name the artist with the most number of Grammy wins. Previous day question answer. Question and answer to January 31st editions of the Daily Quiz. The Chief Minister after the Delhi Assembly was first constituted in 1952. Brahm Prakash. The person was a second to occupy the post of Chief Minister of Delhi. Answer Gurmukh Singh Nihal. Gurmukh Nihal Singh. This person served as the Chief Minister of the Delhi for 2 years from 1996 to 1998. Sahib Singh Verma. This person holds the record of the serving the longest tenure of a female chief minister in India. Sheila Dikshit. The former chief minister is also a recipient of the Raman Magsaysay Award. Arvind Kejriwal. Visual identify the late politician. Answer Sushma Swaraj. Earlier word. Titu Shehletia Ashraf Bashal. Pranav Biswas. Ashish Nair. Dipti Mishra. Today one important vocabulary word. Sweth, noun, verb. It is a noun and verb. Hindi meaning is lapetna, a large part of the sometime that include the several different things wrapped in several layers of fabric. Synonym wrap, shroud, involve, enclose, encompass. Antonym strip, expose, bare, denude. Example stand. The bomb had left the Swathi of the town in ruins. So this is today video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Further more updates and more videos, and press bell icon for notification. So we meet tomorrow. Thanks for watching.